Hey guys, how's it going? So, I decided that I will be making only one video a week for 30 days. So, I marked it on my calendar on February 21st. I will be able to make 2 videos a day. So, for now, until, at the start of, I guess, February 22nd, 2019, I'm only allowed to make one video a day. It's like experiment to see how my channel develops. I'm not gonna care about money, so I'm gonna definitely be making a lot less money now since I'm only making one video a day. But at least maybe hopefully the content will be a lot better than trying to make 2 videos a day and just trying to push whatever content I can come up with and get people to watch it. But now I'm only making one video a day, so hopefully it's good. So I want to talk a little bit about Investing Hustler. Something really bad happened to him. He got robbed. He had a lot of stuff in his apartment, money, cash, everything got stolen from him. He lost about $15,000 worth of cash and stuff like game consoles and computers and everything. Hopefully everything turns out right. Maybe he has health insurance. I don't know, but that's a very, very scary experience. What happened to him? I would never wish anyone to experience something like that. It's so horrible. I just can't. Just imagining being in his shoes, you'd be like terrified as shit. Like that is just crazy. That's a crazy life experience. He thought he was gonna die, but they let him live. I'm just surprised because he was in an apartment, and I'm surprised that he didn't. Nobody attempted to try to help him, because if I saw something like that, I would probably call the cops. Secretly, I would try to hide in a corner somewhere, call the cops, and report it if I ever saw something like that. I'm assuming that since he was like selling products and stuff like cell phones and computers and everything, not like computers, like game consoles and other stuff, people probably talked about him quite a bit, and the fact that he has a YouTube channel, they probably figured out where he lived, got together, made a plan, and went and robbed him because they knew he had stuff to rob. So that's why it's very scary to have stuff inside your home, because people can come and rob you. So yeah, but that's a very scary experience. He asked for help because he lost a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna donate to him. Confirm. No, I filled out all my information, and now I'm just click on the confirm button. Skip. Well, I don't know if that went through, but I gave him $100, so hopefully that helps. Yeah, I don't know, but oh no, I'm appearing right there. This is me. It says 1 hour ago. 1 hour ago. It hasn't been 1 hour. It has been a lot longer than 1 hour. But that's kind of weird. Oh well. So enough of the depressing news. I'm gonna talk about Aurora now. Yesterday, Aurora's volume was horrible. It was so bad yesterday. It hasn't been that bad in a long time. Yesterday's volume was 7.49 million. I know that the US market was closed, but that volume was really bad. It was like just very similar to before the stock rose. Volume seems to be dropping off, so it's a good sign that there might be a chance the stock might go back to $7. I'm really hoping for it because I would like to buy it for cheap. Canopy is holding up very well, but the volume is like today the volume picked up, but yesterday the volume died because the US market was closed. I'm thinking the volume's probably gonna tie 4.65 million. The stock is going up, so I don't know. I honestly believe that the stock is just it's gonna hover around $58, $60 for a while until there was some kind of bad news that will cause this stock to trigger and fall back down to possibly $40. That's all I can do is hope, because I mean, there are stuff that is helping me get the stock price down, like for example the stock market doing shitty today, so that could help the stock go down. Namaste, also a company that I'm keeping my eye out. It seems like there's no sellers and the stock is just kind of hovering in no man land. I don't know if it's gonna stay around there for like a week, a month, but eventually the stock will either go to 150 or go closer to the $1 mark. So we'll see what happens, but I'm just gonna wait, see what happens. Namaste did not have any news today. T-Guard, another stock I'm eyeing too. I'll buy it if it ever goes back down to at least 250, 260. Planet 13, also a company that I'm eyeing, but the price took off just recently, and I don't like to chase stocks, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hope the stock goes down. If the stock never goes down and continues to move forward, then I may never buy Planet 13. I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm not gonna chase out the stock, because chasing out the stock is dangerous. On top of that, the stock, if the it's basically dangerous because the stock can reverse on you and your rewards are not as high. So it's high risk, low reward by chasing a stock. That's what I think, anyways. Kron is down today. I mean, it crashed hard in the morning, and then somebody bought it back up, and now it's crashing again. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know why Kron is at all-time highs, but it seems like it's hitting resistance levels and not really going any further than $21-ish, or $20.50 something cents, around $21. Volume is very decent today. That's all I really have to say about Kron. I don't know why. I heard rumors that Kron might get totally bought out by Altera, but that would make no sense. That Altera is a Canadian. Sorry, Kron is a. I think Kron is a not Kron. Altera, I think, is a Is it a British company or a U.S. company? I'm not too sure. But I don't think Altera can own Kron because they are listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Just saying. Hexo raised money today. Hexo raised money, $50 million just before the market closed. They came out with a news of raising $50 million through stock raise, and today their stock dropped. So, every time a company raises money, a stock drops. I don't know if this is going to be it or if it's going to continue to drop down to $6. We'll see where Hexo goes in the future, but the market's down. Hexo just raised money. If the market continues to be in a down red trend, then this could cause the stock to really go down to at least $6, possibly lower, maybe $5. $5 would be an excellent price and entry point into this company, at least in my opinion. Sunniva also raised some money. The stock was down 4% today. They raised $10 million Canadian, and then today the stock dropped. The stock's already really low compared to what it used to be, $7-8. But if it ever goes back to the low $3, that would be a great buying opportunity. But right now is high risk, low return, because what you're really gambling for is maybe $7, possibly $8. But You know, I do not think it's gonna go back to $8. I could be totally wrong, but we'll see. Not in the short term, anyways. I don't think it's gonna go back to $8 in the short term. I think it's more likely to go back to the low $3 in the short term. You know, today the market is down. Global Dow is down big time. Nasdaq is down big time. Everything is just down. Everything is red. Oil is down 3%. It's just, you know, it's a good sign for me because I have cash and I'm still gambling on a stock market crash. So hopefully that happens. Facebook is down because the market is down. I need Facebook to keep going down today because I have a short-term option on it, so I need to really go down. So hopefully Facebook tanks. Facebook had some bad news, but yet the stock is holding very steady for this bad news that got released. Talking about the government finding them higher than what they find Google. But it's not very much though. Google, they only find like $22 million. So Facebook, if Facebook was like $1 billion or a few $100 million, that would be crazy. That would be a huge fine. Let's see what Facebook gets fined for. It could really affect the stock depending on the number. Apple is down today. Of course Apple is down today. The stock market is down, Apple is down. But Apple is holding up very well compared to... I think it's holding up very well. I mean, it should be trading at the low, below 150, but it's trading at 155, so that's a success of its own. The market could turn around tomorrow, but, you know, we'll see. I think that it might run down for a while, but at the same time, it could do a reverse trend. This could be like one bad day, and then the next day could be green. Or it could be a few red days before it turns back to green. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen in the market, but, you know, buy in the red, sell in the green. And today is red, but I think it could be more red, so I would be cautious for anyone that is buying, and I'm not a financial advisor, so... you know, do your own research if you want to buy anything. Microsoft is down because the market's down. I was thinking maybe I should do a put option on Microsoft, but or I could wait till Microsoft bounces back a little bit before I do it. I don't know, because I think that if the market is gonna go down, then Microsoft might be a good put. Amazon is down big time today. It's good. I'm hoping it bounces a little bit more. Maybe I'll average down my put option. I'm not too sure yet. Facebook is down 1%. Oh, I already had Facebook up. It looks like Facebook is giving it up a little bit. Anyways, that's it for my video. What am I gonna name my video? Investing Hustler. I donated $100 to Investing Hustler. There you go. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.